Hello friends, welcome to UStore. Learning Python, making it easy. Friends, in our last video we have discussed about Python programming syntax. In this video we will discuss about Python variable types. Variables are nothing but reserved memory locations to store values. This means that when you create a variable, you reserve some space in memory. Based on the data type of variable, the interpreter allocates memory and decides what can be stored in the reserved memory. Therefore, by assigning different data types to variables, you can store integers, decimals and characters into the variables. In this video we will focus on first how can we assign values to the variables, and then after we will discuss about standard data types in Python. So how can we assign values to the variables in Python? There are two ways to assign values to the variables in Python. First one is single assignment and the second one is multiple assignment. In case of single assignment, the assignment operator is used to assign the values to variables. Here in this example, the string ram is assigned to the variable name and the integer value or numeric value, that is 25, is assigned to the variable age. This is single assignment. In case of multiple assignments, a single expression allows you to assign multiple values to the multiple variables. So let's elaborate this example. Here in this multiple assignment example, the value 1 is assigned to variable A, the value 2 is assigned to variable B, and the string ram is assigned to variable C. This is the example of multiple assignment. Now let's discuss about standard Python data types. The data stored in memory can be of many types. For example, a person's age is stored as numeric value, or his or her address is stored as alphanumerical characters. Python has various standard data types that are used to define operations possible on them and the storage method for each of them. Python has 5 standard data types. The first one is Python numbers, the Python strings, lists, tuples, and the last one is dictionaries. Let's discuss one by one. The first standard data type of Python is Python numbers. The numbers data type store numeric values. Number objects are created when you assign value to them. Python supports 4 different numerical values. That is, Python numerical types are integers, long. The integer is assigned integer. The long is long integers. They can be also represented in octal or hexadecimal. The Python floating point numbers, that is floating point real values. And the last one is complex, that is complex numbers. Here in this example, the value 5, which is numerical value, is assigned to variable x. The next standard data type is Python strings. Strings in Python are identified as continuous set of characters represented in quotation marks. Python allows for either pairs of single or double quotes. Here is example, the variable name is name and the value for that variable is Mahesh. In first case it is quoted in single quote, and in second case it is quoted in double quote. The both syntax are acceptable in Python. Subsets of string can be taken using the slice operator with indexes starting at 0 in the beginning of the string and working their way from -1 at the end. In case of strings, the plus sign is a string concatenation operator in Python, and the asterisk sign is a string repetition operator in Python. The next standard data type of Python is Python lists. Lists are the most versatile of Python's compound data types. A list contains items separated by commas and enclosed within the square brackets. To some extent, lists are similar to arrays in C. One difference between them is that all items belonging to the list can be of different data types. The values stored in disk can be accessed using the slice operator with indexes starting at 0 in the beginning of the list and working their way to the end up to the -1 to the size of that list. The plus operator acts as a list concatenation operator in Python, and the asterisk operator acts as the list repetition operator. Here the example of list, which is declared in the square brackets, it contains string which is enclosed in a single comma, then after 5 numerical values. The list is composed of this one string and 5 numerical values. The next standard data type of Python is Python tuples. A tuple is another sequence data type that is similar to the list. A tuple consists of number of values separated by commas. Unlike lists, however, tuples are enclosed within the parenthesis. In case of lists are enclosed within the square bracket. Here tuples are enclosed within the parenthesis. The main difference between lists and tuples are lists are enclosed in bracket, that is square brackets, and their elements and size can be changed, while tuples are enclosed in parentheses and cannot be changed. You can call tuple as a read-only lists. The last standard Python data type is Python dictionaries. Python's dictionaries are kind of hash table types. They work like associative arrays or hashes found in Perl or consist of key value pairs. A dictionary key can be almost any person type or Python type, but they usually number or strings. Value, on the other hand, can be any arbitrary Python object. Dictionaries are enclosed within the curly braces, and values can be assigned and accessed using the square brackets. Here in this example, the dictionary key is 1 and value to that key is Python dictionaries. We can access that value using the key 1. Here the second line, print dict of 1, we are giving key as a input parameter of that dictionary. The output will be Python dictionaries. In this way the dictionaries are used. Thank you so much friends for your time. In our upcoming videos we will discuss about Python basic operators, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for your time. Please don't forget to like, subscribe for new updates. Thank you so much.